TROX was established more than 60 years ago to manufacture and supply a complete range of ventilation products and now has manufacturing plants located across the globe. Manufacturing is conducted in a standalone facility which contains all the processes to produce the completed dampers. This includes the cutting and forming of materials, welding, assembly, and function testing of the finished products. Automated CNC machines are used to cut and drill the blade shafts with minimal waste and optimum output. All damper linkage bosses and actuator drive dogs are produced in-house at high speed. Whilst joining angles that are used for damper module assembly are produced using a custom-designed CNC machine that identifies each part by engraving. Two 6-axis TIG welding robots are used to weld all of the damper linkage parts and actuator drive dogs. This ensures the consistent high performance of these rotating components. TROX Malaysia has a team of experienced project engineers that handle each project from the tender stage through to final completion and commissioning on site. The JFM fire and smoke damper has a 4-hour fire integrity rating in accordance with BS 476 Part 20 and AS 1530.4. In addition, the damper has a very low smoke leakage rate, which is almost half that is required to meet the Class 1 rating detailed in UL 555S. Each damper blade is of double-skin airfoil design and has a V-groove running along the entire length of both edges, which houses a compressible ceramic seal. This ensures that an impenetrable fire and smoke barrier is created when the damper closes. To ensure that this high level of performance is maintained after the installation of the damper, the blade landing angles are not welded in place but are bolted. This enables the landing angle position to be adjusted on site to compensate for any twisting of the damper case caused by an uneven structural opening. The life-saving performance of the TROX JFM fire damper is therefore assured under all such conditions. The damper case is a rigid, fully welded structure of minimum 2 mm thick and maximum 9 mm thick material. The blades are manufactured from a double skin of minimum 1.2 mm thick and maximum 2 mm thick material. The blade shafts are 20 mm in diameter. The blades are bolted to the shafts for easy maintenance. Laser cutting of the damper case allows tags to be provided on the case sections that are located within slots provided in the adjacent case sections. This enables quick and accurate assembly of the damper case prior to welding. Actuator options include pneumatic, electric, and electro-hydraulic, which can be either double-acting or fail-safe spring return. Actuators are capable of continuing to operate the damper when subjected to temperatures of up to 400 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Electric actuators are provided with a thermal jacket or insulated enclosure for such applications to ensure that the dampers continue to operate for smoke control purposes until the tunnel is fully evacuated. The dampers are suitable for direct mounting to concrete or to steel ductwork using the punched flanges provided. For installation on concrete, clamp plates can be provided to simplify the installation process and ensure that the minimum edge distance for the installation of anchor bolts can be maintained. TROX project engineers provide site support in the form of training, both prior to installation and commissioning. This is the meaning of the TROX name. TROX, for a climate of safety.